Thank you, brother Amjad, and assalamu alaikum, friends. Congratulations on being able to hold your 75th Jalsa Salana. I am particularly happy that that is happening here in this amazing city of Richmond, Virginia. Welcome. I hope that as you've chosen to be here for this gathering, that you have felt the sense of openness and welcome that our city is known for. And I hope that that continues to be the case as you come back year after year. Thousands of Ahmadi Muslims from all over America have convened this weekend in Richmond with a single united aim: to live by your profound motto, hanging boldly in the back of the room here: love for all, hatred for none. These are incredibly powerful words to live by, and I have seen those words translated into action here in Richmond last year when you first came, and now this year you've tripled your community engagement in that short period of time, working with our city to clean up, to restore cemeteries, and to steward this earth that we have been called to care for. So thank you for that. It's a beautiful statement of how this faith community shows up. You don't just come to our city to convene as a meeting, but you come to our city to serve its people. And I am incredibly grateful for that. I also know that you don't just do this work in the communities that you visit, but that you are doing this work all over the world. You provide disaster relief and medical missions, free healthcare services throughout the globe through your charitable arm, Humanity First. And so thank you for the way that you live out your faith and lead with compassion and grace. May God bless you in that work. I also want to acknowledge your deep and abiding commitment to peace, religious tolerance, and inclusivity, principles that we espouse deeply here in the city of Richmond. Your community's global leader, His Holiness Mirza Masroor Ahmad, is one of the leading Muslim voices for peace, and I hope that the leaders of throughout the globe will embrace that message. The principles upon which your founder, Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, founded this movement on: unite humanity, end religious wars, and restore morality, justice, and peace. These are principles that we must all get behind for the good of our world. In honor of your coming to Richmond, we have codified this in a City of Richmond proclamation. And so I want to just read it briefly. It's short, but it's honor to you all for choosing this city to hold this great celebration. Whereas the Ahmadiyya Muslim community, founded in 1889 by Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad and presently led by his fifth successor, Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad, is a global Islamic revivalist movement dedicated to the promotion of peace, justice, interfaith harmony, and service to humanity. And whereas the Ahmadiyya Muslim Community USA, established in 1920, has been an integral part of American society, contributing to civic engagement, humanitarian aid, and efforts to foster religious freedom and understanding. And whereas the annual Jalsa Salana, first initiated in 1891 by the community's founder, has been a significant gathering for spiritual reflection, knowledge sharing, and unity, with Jalsa Salana USA being held annually since 1948, growing into a national tradition, one that I hope that Richmond's Jalsa Cares event can be one of the flagship events throughout the world. Whereas the 75th Jalsa Salana USA, to be held from July 4th to 6th at the Richmond Convention Center, marks a historic milestone, celebrating 75 years of commitment to peace, education, and public service, as well as the principles of love for all, hatred for none. And whereas the Ahmadiyya Muslim Community USA continues to exemplify values of compassion, volunteerism, and civic responsibility through initiatives such as Jalsa Cares, which provides support to underserved communities across America. Now, therefore, I, Danny Avula, Mayor of Richmond, Virginia, do hereby recognize and commend the 75th Annual Jalsa Salana USA, celebrating the legacy of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community in their unity, faith, and service to humanity.